Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Mechanics of Making Money. Today we're going to talk about a business model that's been making waves in the world of e-commerce. It's called dropshipping. Now, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, think of it as being the middleman in a transaction, but without having to deal with the nitty-gritty of inventory management. In the traditional retail model, a store would buy goods, hold them in stock, and then sell them to customers. But with dropshipping, you skip the step of stocking up. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and list products that you don't actually have in stock. When a customer places an order, you forward the order details to a third party. This could be the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler. This third party is responsible for fulfilling the order, packing the goods, and shipping them directly to the customer. As a dropshipper, your role is mainly to operate the online storefront and handle customer service. The beauty of this system is that you don't have to invest in inventory up front. You only pay for a product when you've already secured a customer who's paid for it. This significantly lowers the barriers to entry and makes dropshipping an attractive option for budding entrepreneurs. Another advantage of dropshipping is its flexibility. You can operate your business from anywhere with an internet connection, meaning you can travel the world while running your store or work from the comfort of your own home. However, like any business model, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. It requires careful management of customer expectations, a keen eye for choosing the right products, and a solid relationship with reliable suppliers. Sounds simple, right? Well, let's delve deeper into this business model. So, you're probably wondering how to start dropshipping. Firstly, it's crucial to choose a niche. This means identifying a specific category of products that you're passionate about, and that has potential for profits. It could be anything from vintage clothing to artisanal coffee beans. Remember, specificity is key in a saturated market. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time for some competitor research. Look at what others in your niche are doing. What are their best-selling products? What marketing strategies are they using? This will give you insights into the market dynamics and help you carve out a unique space for your business. Next comes securing a supplier. It's important to find a reliable supplier who can provide high-quality products at a reasonable price. You can use platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress, or go for domestic suppliers if you want faster shipping times. Make sure to get samples to check the quality and build a good relationship with your supplier. The next step is building an e-commerce website. This is your storefront, so make it attractive and easy to navigate. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your website. Remember, your website should reflect your brand and make the shopping experience seamless for your customers. After your website is up and running, it's time to create a customer acquisition plan. This involves marketing your products to attract and retain customers. Social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization are some strategies you can use. Don't forget about email marketing for keeping your customers engaged. The final step is analyzing and optimizing. Use Google Analytics to track your website's performance and customer behavior. This will help you identify areas where you can improve. Maybe you need to tweak your website design, or perhaps your marketing strategy needs an overhaul. Remember, the key to success in dropshipping is constant learning and adapting. And there you have it, the basic steps to starting your dropshipping business. But how do you make money from it? Now we're getting to the good part. How do you earn income from dropshipping? Well, the magic of dropshipping lies in the simplicity of its business model. You're essentially acting as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. The supplier manufactures and stores the product, you market and sell it, and they ship it directly to your customer. Now let's talk about the money. The primary source of income in dropshipping is the difference between the wholesale price you pay to the supplier and the retail price you charge your customers. This difference, my friends, is your profit. Let's say you're selling a stylish pair of headphones. You buy them at a wholesale price of $20 from the supplier. You then list them on your online store for $50. A customer buys them, the supplier ships them directly to the customer, and you pocket a cool $30. Not bad for a day's work, right? But the real secret to maximizing your earnings is in pricing your products correctly. You see, pricing is a delicate art. Price your products too high, and customers might shy away. Price them too low, and you might not make enough profit to cover your operating expenses. The key is to find the sweet spot. This is the price that's not too high to deter customers, but high enough to ensure you make a decent profit. It's a tricky balance, but with a little bit of research and a lot of trial and error, you can find it. And remember, Your profits can also include shipping costs. Some dropshippers choose to offer free shipping and include the shipping cost in the product price. Others charge a separate shipping fee. It's up to you to decide what works best for your business. So, with the right strategy, you can earn a substantial income from dropshipping. And the best part? You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping logistics. You just focus on selling and let the supplier handle the rest. So, with the right strategy, you can earn a substantial income from dropshipping. Dropshipping can be a profitable business model, with the potential for significant income. And we've just walked you through the steps on how to get started and make money from it. Remember, the beauty of dropshipping is that it provides an accessible route for anyone to venture into the e-commerce world. It eliminates the need for inventory and simplifies the process of selling online. Whether you're considering a side hustle or a full-time business, dropshipping may be your ticket to income generation. And don't forget the added advantage of leveraging YouTube to showcase your products and boost your earnings. So why not give it a shot? Explore the world of dropshipping, and you might just find your path to financial success. It's about taking that first step and making it happen. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share so you see our future videos pop up on your newsfeed. Stay safe out there, guys.